So now moving on to question number 12. The ancient writing system used in the Maya kingdoms of southern Mexico and Central America had a symbol for the number 0. The earliest known example of the symbol dates to more than 2000 years ago. At that time, almost none of the writing systems elsewhere in the world possessed a 0 symbol, and the use of 0 in Mexico and Central America may be even more ancient. Some historians suggest that Maya mathematicians inherited it from the Olmec civilization, which flourished in the region 2400 to 3600 years ago. According to the text, what do some historians suggest about Maya civilization? Is it A. Maya civilization acquired the use of 0 from the Olmec civilization? B. Maya civilization respected its historians more than it respected its mathematicians? C. Maya civilization was highly secretive about its intellectual achievements? Or D. Maya civilization tried to introduce its writing system to other civilizations? So, I think in this question, the wrong answers are so evident that it's very easy to arrive at the right answer. So, obviously, answer choice A, I hope you got that right. That is the best answer because it presents information about Maya civilization that is supported by the text. So, you can clearly see that historians suggest that Maya mathematicians inherited it from the Olmec civilization. So, that is what did they need? The use of 0. So, it's the best answer because it presents information about Maya civilization that is supported by the text. The text states that the writing system used in the Maya kingdoms had a symbol for the number 0, and then it goes on to say that at the time of the 0 symbol's earliest example, more than 2000 years ago, almost no other writing systems in the world featured such a symbol. So the text also points out that some historians suggest that Maya mathematicians inherited the use of 0 from the Olmec civilization, that is mentioned over here, which existed in the same area as Maya civilization at an earlier date. So thus, according to the text, some historians suggest that Maya civilization acquired the use of 0 from the Olmec civilization. And B is obviously incorrect because the text mentions present day historians and Maya mathematicians. It does not say anything about how much the Maya civilization respected its historians and mathematicians. Nothing about respecting is mentioned at all. Then C is incorrect because the text does not indicate that the Maya civilization treated its use of the 0 symbol or any other intellectual achievements as secrets to be kept from other civilizations. And D is incorrect because although the text mentions historians who suggest that the writing system of the Maya civilization inherited some features from the earlier Olmec civilization, the text does not describe any attempts of Maya civilization to introduce its writing system to other civilization. It's not trying to introduce its writing system to other civilizations. That's not mentioned anywhere.